Hi there, this is Barry and Kim with the Hoey Team. We're here in Seagate, just doing a quick drive-by for a new listing. Some of the information is there. Anyway, it's just new to the market, and this will give you an idea of the neighborhood. We're on Seagate, nice street. Nice houses, obviously very close to, we're on the water, very close to everything that's great about West Florida. You can see where we're going there. The checker flag is, that's the location for this particular one. And as I say, we're just doing a drive-by. Nice street. And the house is just located here on our left hand side. Can't really see much of it here.
Old Florida.
Definitely old Florida, yeah. Just continue driving here a little bit, just to show you the
This takes you right to the
area.
beach, Barry.
Correct, yeah. So the beach is right down here. We'll just go up this way. Check out this beautiful drive. All the nice trees and everything. Streets there. Look at those beautiful trees. Anyway, this just helps to give you a little bit of an idea for this neighborhood. Naples has so many different and unique neighborhoods and different type properties, and there's definitely something for everybody. So you can just see where we are there again. Beautiful homes. Anyhow, this is Barry and Kim, and just wanted to give you a little tour of this one, and we'll chat to you soon. Bye for now.
Bye-bye.